1. Pick a show. It doesn't really matter as long as it's anime, but try to make it a show you actually watch and enjoy. If you don't know anything about the show, it may throw you off track. 2. Pick a song. Actually, this should be done before picking your show, as you may not be able to find the right song to go with your show, but switched around it would be much easier. Grab the song from any source you can. Listen to the song almost non-stop for about a day. This will give you the knowledge of where certain things in the music are for you to sync to, meaning you don't have to rely on audio pipes to create your AMV. Think about what type of AMV you can make to the song. You can't make a sentimental AMV with long-running clips to a screamo song. Think about flow at this time. Are you going to sync to words? Drums? Guitars? How are you going to transition at different times? Crossfades? Black fades? Effects? Think about all of this thoroughly, for this is what's going to make your AMV worth watching. 3. Get DVDs. You can use torrents to get the VOV/MPEG-2 files that you want to use. Knowing your footage is a must for an AMV. Also, learn how to convert the VOVs to something that is usable in an AMV, which requires outside programs. Note, VOVs are large. A single disk goes up to 1 gig of hard drive space. So if you have an external hard drive, now is the time to use it. If you don't have the space for VOVs, get high-quality .avi files with no subtitles on it. 4. Time to edit and create the AMV. You can use a lot of editing programs for this step, though preferably a non-linear editing program such as Adobe Premiere, Final Cut, Magix, and Wax. Adobe After Effects is not a good choice for this part, but creates great effects for Final Touch UPS. If the recommended software are not affordable, Wax is free, and has a lot of the features that its more expensive counterparts have. You can also use mobile apps such as Video Shop and Filmora Go, if you want. Be prepared to spend a long while on this step, as long as it takes to reach perfection. 5. Time balancing is also very important. You don't want to edit for 6 hours on an AMV, otherwise you are going to get bored. A good schedule would be 4 hours AMV, then anything you want to do. If you have time, spend another 2 hours on your AMV. 6. Share it with the world. A good place to put your first few videos is YouTube. Here, you can receive a lot of positive feedback on your videos, as well as a few honest opinions and constructive criticism. This can get your confidence up. Also, you may want to take the time on getting extremely good experienced editors to comment your video telling you their opinion, which will most likely be a lot more useful than the common YouTubers. In addition to YouTube, you may also consider visiting animemusicvideos.org. There, you will find that everything is more competitive and refined than a YouTube Amverse world. It would also be a good idea to read the tutorial about uploading a video to amv.org, since it is a lot different than YouTube's system. You can make use of the forum there to announce your latest AMVs, perform an opinion exchange with other members, or review the many guides available that may improve upon your editing skills or add to what you already know. When you feel that you are ready, you may want to send a video to a Japanese culture or Japanese anime convention that hosts AMV contests. This way, a huge audience consisting mostly of your peers and animation fans will be able to see your AMV on a giant screen. Remember, there is no right or wrong way to create an AMV. Being a good AMV editor comes with experience.